Welcome to Module 8. Topic, Checking ID. Information to be covered in this module. Number 1, importance of not serving minors. Number 2, what are acceptable forms of identification? Number 3, what is not acceptable for ID? Number 4, the 10-point checking system. Number 5, things to look for on a suspect ID. Number 6, denying service to a minor. Alcohol use by young people is the most serious drug problem facing our nation and our state. Alcohol kills more young people than all illicit drugs combined. It's a factor in 3 leading causes of death among 15 to 24-year-olds and is a gateway drug to other drugs.
Under Michigan law, all licensees have an equal chance of being randomly selected for a minor decoy compliance check. A business can also be selected for a compliance check if there's a documented complaint of sales to minors.
During the sales checks, a minor employee of the MLCC attempts to purchase alcohol from a licensed business to see if staff is checking IDs correctly and refusing to sell alcohol to anyone under 21. Commissioned investigators or other law enforcement officers supervise the minor employees. The minors carry their own legal ID that identifies them as under 21 and do not disguise their age.
One of the most important duties you will have in serving alcohol is not allowing minors to purchase, possess, or consume an alcoholic beverage. In order to possess, consume, or purchase, you must be 21 years of age or older. You, as a server, the only way that you can ensure that your guest is 21 years of age or older is by checking their identification. Because the visual look, sometimes it's obvious they're not 21 years of age or older. Other times, not so obvious. Characteristics of minors. If a person has the physical characteristics of a minor, they likely are a minor. However, the opposite is not true. People mature at different rates. Many minors may have physical characteristics of an adult. Don't be fooled. Physical characteristics of minors. Minors generally have common physical characteristics. The following is a list of some characteristics. Immature physical appearance, little or no facial hair in boys, undeveloped appearance of girls. The skin complexion, smooth, unlined faces. Be aware that not all minors have these physical characteristics and do not rely on them solely to identify a minor. Some minor males may have beards and mustaches. Some minor males are big, which may make them appear older. And some minor females may wear makeup or clothing that makes them appear older. Fads and fashions of minors. Minors tend to dress in the latest fads and fashion trends. These will change frequently. Some other things to look for are school uniforms, class rings, too much makeup, trendy hairstyles, behaviors and reactions of minors. Certain behavior patterns may also be characteristic of minors or people that may purchase alcohol for minors. They may appear nervous. They might not make eye contact with you. They're self-conscious about their appearance. Some minors act very confident and sure of themselves while attempting to purchase alcohol. Young people gathering in groups and sending one to make a purchase. Young people approaching adults that are on their way to make a purchase. A minor might also display one or more of these characteristic reactions: being nervous or insecure, being overly friendly or acting cool, not making eye contact or trying to hide their face, checking the area or glancing around, showing an ID but trying to put it away quickly. When to ask for an ID. You should ask for an ID before you begin to serve or begin to ring up an alcohol sale. For off-premise sales, you can place your hands on the alcohol packaging and then ask for an ID in case you need to remove the alcohol from reach. For on-premise sales, ask for an ID before pouring or serving the alcoholic beverage.